Welcome! In front of me I have MOBVOI TicWatch Pro 5 and I'm gonna show you how to change the date and time on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button or the power button. Once you wake up the screen, press the crown button to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the option called the system, and then tap on it, and here find the option called date and time and select it. Now, if you want to change the date and time manually, you will need to disable the automatic time and date, this option. So tap on it to disable the option. And once you disable it, you can scroll down and you will see set date and set time. And you can tap on set date, for example, to change the date, and you can change the month, day, and the year. And once you're done, you can tap on the check mark. Then you can tap on set time, change the hours and then minutes, and tap on the check mark. If you want to change the time zone, you can disable the automatic time zone option, tap on set time zone and select one if you like. And once you're done customizing your time settings, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face, and that's how you change the date and time on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.